Inside. Look at Enrique. Look at Enrique. Wow!
Whoa, Enrique! Boy, let me try.
Yes. Makatukod ka lang? Butang na yung lang, be. Oh, good. Di pa makatukod. Adi na may boots.
Okay, let me try.
Oh. That's yours, Ken?
There's so many homework.
Hmm?
So many motorbikes.
Ate is there.
Motorbikes.
You love that one?
God, there's
Hi.
so many motorbikes.
You happy? My God. Boom, boom.
Let me try. Let me see.
You said boom, boom.
This is mine. This is mine.
Be, how to... Yeah, ate na si ate. Si ate na yung makatukod.
I can fit this.
Oh my God.
This is perfect. This is like the small. This is like the right size for me. But this one, I like this. I cannot.
Where's your motorbike, Ken?
Time to go on my
Hey,
motorbike.
this is your motorbike. Hello ka. Ore. You love that one? Ate is there. They're buying something for motorbike for our baby Enrique.
You said you don't want it because it's fast. You don't want it?
This is
is
too
mine.
big for me. It might fall down. I don't want that.
Next you're gonna be this one, okay? This one, then next one, that one, okay?
I want this one.
Yeah, I want this one.
Come here. Trouble.
Ken. Yeah. You and bra?
Oh
My God. I'll send to bra.
I want this one.
I want this one.
Let me try. Listen, look at me. This I run.
What bra? Say hi, guys.
Guys,
I'm having my... Tell them.
hi guys, I have a motorbike.
Yay.
What's that?
How to do it? Motorbike, be.
What's that?
How to do it?
Okay, boss, on next time, si brother. Okay, one, okay.
Get the sun, Ken. Oh, sige. Ibutang, ito ko itong. The other one. Ay, katukod mo dahil ko, Ken. Oh.
No, that's